I think self-awareness is one of the most important ones. And I say this all the time. It's one of the most important things that we can teach people. We have to allow our kids, though, to have the environment that we talked about in segment 1, that they feel safe going to someone and saying, I am feeling this way today, and I'm not sure what to do with it. Because if I'm not aware of how I'm feeling, then nothing matters. So the example I always give is, people say things like, I'm depressed, but nobody ever says, I'm a cold, right? I have a cold. So why do you say, if you start saying, I'm depressed, I'm anxious, then it starts to become who you are, and you identify as it. And that's scary. And then for people who fall into that, and it is a legitimate diagnosis, so please, I want to clarify, but for people who think of it as who they are, the behavior becomes more comfortable to respond to things in that way. So kids who are, I have an anger problem, or I'm attention deficit, I'm this, I'm that, it becomes more comfortable to respond with behavior that fits into that box. Where if I looked at it as, I have a cold, I'm feeling depressed, I'm feeling pain, I'm feeling anxious right now, you would treat it differently, because it would be something you're feeling versus something you are. And that has to be taught. And then when you feel it as a feeling and not who it is, you don't identify as it, you will now allow your brain to open up some synapses in there to take in new information that you learn from the adults in your life that you trust. They'll say, here's what you can do with that. And all of a sudden, like mindful practice makes sense to you now, and breathing exercises make sense to you now, and aromatherapy, whatever it is, makes sense to you now. It's not just a thing. I'm open for that now, because I don't like that feeling anymore. But it's not who I am.